here Python quotations related and Python comments related majorly we discussed in the previous session. So here, how many types of quotations allowed? How many types of quotations allowed? That is first you need to understand. Okay, so three types of quotations allowed in Python. One is single quotation, another one is double quotation, and next one is triple single quotation or triple double quotations. Three types of quotations there. So using these quotations, string type data we can represent in Python. So by using single quotation or double quotation, single line string type data we can represent. By using triple quotations, we can represent multi-line string data in Python. Understanding this? Yes, guys. So this point remember, and escape sequence character there, guys. Escape escape sequence character there here. So what is that escape sequence character here? In Python, backslash symbol, guys. This backslash symbol is acting like a escaping sequence character. So in Python, so many special characters are there. If you don't want to execute those special characters behavior, if you want to consider those special characters as a normal characters, so before them as a prefix, you can use slash symbol. You can use slash symbol, guys. Okay, no? So, and one more note point here. Inside the single quotation, don't use again single quotation. Inside the double quotation, don't use again double quotation. Okay, these all rules you have to follow here. And next, comments related. When coming to the comments, we have two types of comments: single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments, by using the hash symbol, we can represent single line of data is going to be commenting, guys, using this one. Multi-line comments using the triple quotations, guys, either single triple or three times triple single quotation or triple double quotations we can use. Between those triple quotations, n number of lines data we can write. Those all lines are going to be commenting. The lines which are available in between the comments, guys, those lines are not finding to the interpreter. That's why interpreter is not executing those lines. So what is the purpose of the comments? One more purpose. So for better code documentation purpose, we can use these comments, guys. In every language, comments concept is there. Language to language. So different syntaxes there. Got it, this one? Yes. So next, some other points we'll discuss, guys. So keywords related, we'll see now here. Keywords, Python keywords, guys. Python keywords concept. These all these all concepts are some general concepts which are required for developing the Python related coding, guys. So here, what is a keyword? You need to understand what is a keyword, and the purpose of the keyword is what? How many types of keywords are there in Python, and all available keywords, how to see. These all points you have to understand, guys. Simple points I'm typing here. So a keyword is nothing but a free-defined reserved word. Simple point, free-defined reserved word. A keyword is nothing but a free-defined reserved word. Predefined reserved word means along with the Python software only coming. We are not creating as our own name. So this all coming along with the Python software. Every keyword is having its own behavior, guys. Every keyword is having its own behavior. Simply, every keyword having its own behavior. We cannot change that behavior, guys. We cannot change that keyword behavior. Every keyword is having its own behavior. We cannot change that keyword behavior. What is the meaning of that means? So every keyword for some particular purpose related designed, guys. And whenever we require that requirement related behavior, so then related keyword we can use and we can achieve the logics. For example, I want to comparing two numbers. I want to comparing two numbers. And based on that, I want to execute certain lines of code. Then we can use conditional keywords like if keyword, else keyword like this. and I have one memory in the memory allocation. I want to delete one reference as variable reference from the memory, then del keyword we are going to use. So every keyword having its own behavior. As for that keyword behavior, wherever we require that requirement, there we can use that keyword. Okay, na? So remember that one. And next here in Python, we have 35 keywords, guys. How many keywords are there? 35 keywords. We have 35 keywords in Python. Simply in Python, we have these keywords. So where is available these all keywords? In a module called a keyword module. Python is providing one free defined module called as a keyword. In that keyword module, all available Python related 35 keywords available. Simply here, Python is providing one predefined module. Predefined module means along with the Python software coming. That point remember. One predefined module called as keyword. Keyword. Python is providing one predefined module called as keyword. In this keyword module, all available 35 keywords available. Simply in this keyword module, all 35 keywords available, guys. All 35 keywords available. Okay, now? Okay. This predefined module, how we are using? So if you want to use this keyword module in Python, we have one keyword called import keyword. Import keyword like we are going to use, guys. Okay, na? Yes, guys. So out of 35 keywords, we have one keyword name called as import keyword. By using this import keyword, we can import required modules. It may be predefined module, it may be third-party module. Okay. So using import keyword, I'm importing this keyword module. Later, in this keyword module, we have one special attribute called as KW list, guys. Keyword dot KW list. KW means keyword list. From this keyword module, by using the keyword list argument, we can get all available keywords. List of keywords you are going to get, guys. In Python, list we can represent by using the square bracket. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma like that we can write values, guys. Comma separating values we can write. These all 35 available keywords inside the list format as a list of keywords wise returning, list of words wise. Okay, list format returning simply. Okay, so now these things you can check it practically. So open the ideally software, Python ideally for testing purpose. We can use initial days, some days. So now here directly you can execute here only, guys. Or else if you want to save these all lines in a file, then one file we can create, there we can execute it, no problem. So simply here import keyword. I'm importing. If this name is wrong name, if I imported here wrong name, then immediately here one error is coming, guys. Check it here. That is, I will let you know right now. So keyword 2 I'm using. Keyword 2. Syntax is import keyword followed by any name. That name is like a module name considering by Python. If this name is not available in Python software location, then it is going to throw one error called module not found error. Module not found error. This module is not available. No module named keyword 2 with this name not available, like displaying. Then you have to properly import it, guys. Got it? Okay, right now remember this one. If it is not available, you will get that one. If it is available, successfully importing. Next, in this in this keyword module, we have a KW list argument. Keyword dot KW list. So here print statement, no need to use automatically print statement executing. If you want inside the print statement also, you can write that is all your wish. print without print also we can execute it, guys, in this command line, in this ideally tool. So now here check it. These are the available keywords, guys. These are the some available keywords. List format, in between the square bracket all returns. So for example, I will break here these all things. Now up to here I'm breaking. Okay. Now next, this one, and next these things, and next here. Yes, yes. Check it here. So this is list format is there here. List of this is called list. List of values, value 1, comma, value 2, comma, value 3, comma, like that. So every value in the form of quotations there. Quotations means a string. List of strings wise returning every keyword. List of strings, remember it. Out of all these 35 keywords, 3 keywords started with the capitalized format. 3 keywords are capitalized keywords there. Capitalized means first letter uppercase. First letter with uppercase started 3 keywords only out of 35 keywords. Okay, na? How many are there? I want to know this all practically. So in Python, we have one function called len function, guys. Len function we have. Len means length finding related. Length finding related. Any one object reference we can give as input to here. How many values are there in that object going to return? For example, you can see here len of Python I'm giving. How many characters are there here? 6 characters. So you are going to get 6 here. Len of Ramu I'm giving, guys. So how many are there? 4 characters. You're going to get 4. Same like that. Len of list of values, guys. So you can give like this. How many values there here? 4 values there. Same like that. This is the list of words right now. This entire one you can give as an input to here. So now you can see here len of, and inside that keyword dot kw list. So using this list of words you're getting, those words count you are getting. Are you clear this one? 35 keywords there. How many keywords are there? If anyone asking, you are going to tell 35 keywords. How to find out all available keywords? By using this keyword module related kw list argument, we can get it all. How do you say really 35 keywords are there in Python? By using this len function, we can count it if you want. Out of 35, how many are capitalized? 3 keywords are capitalized. So come on, guys. Here sometimes when you are attending the interviews, multiple choice questions giving. So one is like this one giving, one is like this one giving, okay, and one is like all true giving, and one is none of the above, none of the above, or simply error related. Simply okay. So simply one error related, you're going to get it. So which one is a keyword under the below like asking? Okay, in these 4 values, which one is the keyword like asking? So this one is the keyword, guys. Capital T remaining small letters. In other languages like this, they are following in Java, in JavaScript. In other languages, Boolean values true, false, like this, small letters following. But in our Python, capital T, capital F, guys. Remember that. Sometimes by seeing like this, some students getting confusions. I know true is one keyword, but which true is a keyword getting confusing, like thinking. So carefully remember it. Yes, Rajiv, here len function, this is a function. Okay, functions directly we can call it global functions. In Python, we have so many global functions. So directly we can use wherever we required. That behavior, if you know, that's enough. Len is a function, global function. One given object related length finding purpose, we can use it. So far we used which one? Print function we used. And the next type function also we used, guys. ID function also we used. ID function. Okay. And now here len function also we used. These all are global functions. Global functions. So this is for something printing related. Assumption here a equal to 10. A equal to 10. Carefully remember, guys. Or else here something name equal to Ramu. I'm giving name equal to Ramu, guys. Okay. So now this name variable you can use here. This name you can use and you can use here also. Okay, so check it here. Whenever this line is executing in memory allocation, when memory is creating, and that is referencing to this name, guys. Referencing to this name. Now here Ramu is there. Ramu is there. Okay. So if we are using print function, using this reference in this memory, what value is there? This value is going to get here. Value is going to get here. Using the type function in this memory, what type of value is there? That is a string type. So that type is going to return here. Type, string type, list type, int type, like that. Which value is there in that memory? That value type is going to return. By using id function, every memory is having one unique address, guys, like this. Some random number related address is there. This address you're going to get here. By using len function, in this memory, how many characters there? How many length of inputs there? 4 length related input is there. So that 4 value you're going to get here. Are you clear about these things? Print type id len. Slowly we'll get a lot of functionalities, global functionalities. Okay. Next here, one more question, important question. Sometimes giving one word, these all are like a words, guys. One word is giving. This given word is a keyword or not, how to find out, like asking. How to find out, or else write a program for checking a given word is a keyword or not. A given word is a keyword or not, checking purpose, asking us. Yes, ID is a kind of ASCII code related physical location. Okay, now my question related, check it here. Check it here. So in this, guys, all available keywords there. So in the keyword module, we have one function called is keyword function. Is keyword. This is a Boolean function. Is lower, is upper, is keyword. Means is it a keyword or not, like a checking. So now here some word you can give whatever you want. And I'm going to give here and value I'm giving capital A. I used capital A. So if this is a keyword, then returns true by this function. If this is not a keyword, then return false value. So now false coming means this is not a keyword. Check it here, small a related end is there. Python is a case sensitive language. It means lower letters, upper letters, all are different. That's why this is not a keyword, return false. If I'm giving here the small letter A, this is a keyword, true return. Like this, we can check it, guys. By using this is keyword function, we can identify this given word is a keyword or not. If returns true, yes, this is a keyword. If return false, this is not a keyword, like we are understanding. So right now we are giving here the dynamic direct input, guys. So after some 1 or 2 sessions completing, from the user, from the keyboard, we are reading the data dynamically. That is, we are passing to this function, and we are going to return to them. This is a keyword or not, like that. So how to reading the data from the user or from the keyboard dynamically? So that is separately we are going to learn. So right now static data only. Okay, this is one concept, guys. A keyword module related is keyword function. We have one more alternative way. We have one more alternative way. So right now here, if is a keyword, guys, string format I'm giving. If is a keyword, if if in if space if in something you're going to write here in keyword dot kw list. Using this all available keyword list you're getting. So here list of values there, list of values, group of values there. This one is available or not in this memory. This is a list related memory. In that 35 keywords information is there. This given word is available or not in this memory is checking by this keyword. And one point remember, what are you are able to see with this color, orange color, these all are like a keywords in Python. Remember, with orange color displaying. If you want, you can check it here. Import keyword also with orange color displayed here. Import keyword. Okay. So remember, guys. So now this given word is a keyword or not, checking purpose. This in keyword we are using. So if available, it returns true. If is a keyword, guys, in this list is there here somewhere. If is there, here is there. So if I'm using capital F here, capital F, so that is not a keyword, then it is going to return false. So in is one keyword, guys. In Python, coming days operators chapter is there. There we are going to discussing. In is acting like one operator. By using this in operator, given what is a keyword or not, we can check it. Simply here, this is belongs to this memory or not, membership related, we can use this in in keyword membership checking purpose. In this memory, this given word is there or not. If available, that is a keyword. If not available, that is not a keyword, like we are understanding. For example, see here 10 in, so list means here like values we can write, guys. So group of values. So it means 10 is a member or not in this memory. In this memory, 10 is there or not, checking. Yes, there. That's why true return. If not there, then false return. For example, 100. 100 in this memory. 100 is available in this memory. I'm checking. Not there. Then false value returning. So this is about the keywords, guys. Okay. So what are the some important keywords regularly we are using? All keywords we are going to discuss in slowly. You don't worry. So all keyword behavior today only we are not going to discussing. Some keywords related we will discuss. So false and true. These two we are calling like a Boolean keywords, guys. Boolean keywords. So these keywords in the number of places we are going to use. A particular value is available or not in a particular memory, like this checking purpose. When we are using particular keyword, returns like a true or false Boolean values related. Sometimes comparing the values, guys, 10 greater than 5 or not. In this place also we are going to get like this. Okay. So simply Boolean representation related true false we are using, and none value is there here. Another keyword called none. So it representing like a null value in another languages. Null value. None is nothing but like a nothing, guys. In other languages, like a null they are calling. Null value means nothing representing. So sometimes, for example, here a equal to 10, like we are writing. So sometimes you don't, when you are trying to write here, I mean, sometimes some expressions we are writing, after executing this expression, one value is assigning to this variable. But even this expression executing, but nothing is assigning to this variable. In that situation, none value is coming. Or sometimes if you don't want to assign any value to this variable, there you can assign none. It is nothing but nothing. Empty, like empty, guys. Okay. And del keyword is there. Del keyword. So deleting memories, guys. Deleting memories purpose we can use, or deleting the elements from the memories. Deleting elements or objects from memory. From the Python memory, if we want to deleting entire object or object related elements, we can use the del keyword. Check it here. So s equal to simply here some values, guys. A equal to 10. So in memory allocation right now a reference is there. If I'm using a, I'll get the value. So this is if I want to delete del keyword is going to deleting this a related memory reference. Successfully deleted. After deleting, if I'm trying to use this a is not available in the memory location. This is my own name, these user defined names if not available, we are going to get name error, guys. Slowly try to remember when coming name error. Name error whenever we are trying to accessing particular memory. If that memory not there with that name, then you are going to get name error. Name A is not defined. Okay. Yes, yes. So false, true, none, del, like some keywords we used. So next, if is there guys. Conditions checking purpose. Conditions are comparing the values purpose we can use guys. Conditions checking purpose we can use. For example, see here, if 10 greater than 5, if 10 greater than 5, if 10 is a bigger value than 5, I want to do something. For example, here column we are writing, and then we can write hello. So don't worry, later separately if conditions related clearly we will discuss. There number of programs I will explain. So right now remember, so column symbol we are using, that time 4 spaces we are following. By default Python itself following 4 spaces for indentation related. So if I'm executing this one, if this condition is right, then hello is printing. If this condition is returns a false, then this hello is not going to printing. So like that, based on the condition only, if you want to execute certain lines of code, then if we can use and if this is wrong guys, then else block we can use. For example here, else print by message I'm writing. So any one message hello, because of this one returns true. Next I'm writing here 10 greater than 15, condition return false, then else block statement executing. So later separately we are going to discuss in this one, don't worry. So if else related guys, if else and here only one more is there, if related is there, multiple condition checking purpose we can use those all. Okay, so later we will discuss, no problem. And def is a keyword guys, for creating functions, for creating the functions or methods, we can use a def keyword, defining the functions or methods, like a add method, subtraction method, deposit method, withdraw method, balance inquiry method, kind of things we can define using this one. And for and while, these two are the keywords guys, for looping purpose, looping purpose guys. So same statements a number of times repeatedly if we want to executing this for keyword or while keyword we can use. So we have a separate class for these things, that time we will discuss. Okay now? So like this number of keywords there guys. So when we are discussing topic wise, every keyword behavior you're going to understanding. So as of now, right now, some keywords information, remember it. So this is about the keywords guys. All of you clear? These points. So in the material also, you'll get it clearly. So now comes to these things. And one more point here, keywords related. Don't use keywords as an identifier, nothing but variables guys. So see here, this is a variable. This 10 value you are assigning to this variable name. So later variable chapter is there, there we will discuss. So this is our own name. As our own name, don't use these keywords. For example, this if keyword not allowed for storing the value. If keyword is allowed for checking the condition guys. But I'm trying to use for what purpose? Assigning this value to this variable. So then in this situation, it is throwing syntax error. For example, del equal to 10. So I'm trying to assign 10 value into a variable called del, but del is for deleting the memory purpose. So that's why syntax error you are getting. So every keyword is having its own behavior. Whenever we require that behavior related requirement, there we can use the particular keyword. I want to check the condition comparison guys. Then I can use if else related. I want to delete one memory reference from the memory, then can use del keyword. Like that purpose there only we can use those keywords. So keyword behavior we cannot change like this. So this is about the keywords. Now comes to here. Check it questions. What are the keywords? Simply purpose of the keywords in Python. Okay, what is keyword? Purpose of the keyword. You have to tell the definition, guys. How many keywords are there in Python? 35 keywords there. Can you name a few keywords? So blah blah blah. Whatever you are remembering, those all you can name it. Why cannot we use keywords as identifiers in Python? Identifiers means your own names. Your own names. A equal to 10. Like you are creating, na? This is called your own name, identifier name. So later, today only we will discuss about this one also. So as a identifier, these keywords are not allowed. If you are trying to use what happening, syntax error throwing. Already we tested right now. So next, how do you check if a given word is a keyword in Python or not? So by using is keyword function of a keyword module, we can check it, or else by using a membership operator like in, we can check it. How to display all available keywords? Keyword module is there, in that KW list argument is there, with that we can display it. How to representing Boolean keywords in Python, capital T, capital F related, true, false, guys. What are the keywords are capitalized in Python? Three keywords are capitalized, true, false, none related. How to importing the predefined modules in Python? How to importing? How to importing? By using a import keyword. That is also one keyword. Using the import keyword, we can importing a predefined modules which are coming along with Python software. This is about the keywords. If you know these points, guys, that's enough. Nothing more than questions you're getting. Out of these only you're going to get any question when you are attending interview. So later, 35 keywords later, topic wise, we are going to discussing that time. Based on the topic, you will understanding the keyword behavior. Okay. Yes. Now coming to the indentation also, guys, a basic concept. This one, indentation related. Okay, I'll check it that. Okay, I'll open the previous file recently we created, or else a new file we can create. Control N, new notepad file is coming. Control S, saving location asking. So Python software location is displaying by default. Don't create here. Choose your folder location. I said in the D drive or C drive or anywhere, you can create one folder, Python programs like that. So in my system, I created IIT2 folder. So here I created, guys, so far. Now here indentation program dot py is automatically taking, save it and reduce this size, and then here you can make it your coding you can make it. Okay, keywords related so far whatever I explained, this entire information is there in the material clearly. Today in the WhatsApp group also I uploaded all the material so far up to the last session, whatever completed. Go through those all things, guys. These all interview questions I uploaded. These all questions related material I uploaded. Without reading, if you are coming to the next session, then confusing. Okay, do practice initial days. First 2 week sessions are very, very important. Now here comes to here. Print, print line 1. So multiple lines I want to write it. So line 2, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, like this. So simply line numbers change it. Okay, yes, save it. Control yes. See, guys, these all lines by default left side starting onwards there. Left side starting onwards there. Okay, by default Python indentation is left side starting onwards required every statement. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, 4, 5, like that. Like that, left side starting onwards searching as. So execute, then properly there every line. So getting output. Okay, now here I'm changing this second line, guys. Some space I'm using. See here. So first line checking left side starting onward there. Okay, no problem. Next coming to this line, here some space is following. You are not following the rule. Python rule is what? Every line is starting onwards left side is required. But you are not following the here rule. So this line is problem is there. So whenever we are executing, then showing syntax error, unexpected indentation, unexpected indent like displaying. So here only error also highlighting here. So here is problem is there. Unexpected indentation. Indentation means proper space you are not following. That is the meaning. Okay. So you are coming back to here and you are going to remove that one. Are you clear now this one? Okay. So multi-line comments, guys, using the triple quotations, we can write like this. So I kept all these lines multi-line comment wise. And now here indentation related, I'm following here. So in this situation, you're going to get syntax error. You're going to get a syntax error, guys, because of this line of code. Syntax error you're getting. Okay, na? Okay, if you want here only syntax error you are getting. Okay, so problem is there. Hmm. Hmm. So now here again I'm commenting these lines. So why it is coming syntax error, you have to understanding guys. Okay, so just wait guys. So I said guys many times, number of times I said WhatsApp group already I said in the group, and contact numbers also sharing, or else official Ashok IT portal is there. In Google Ashok IT, if you are typing, you'll get website. Their contact number there, contact those numbers, they'll guide you properly. So again in the chat menu guys, I'm pasting this WhatsApp group. So click on this group, you're going to join into the WhatsApp group. There you can download the material. Okay, and for enrollment people guys, separate paid enrollment related separate WhatsApp group is there. Okay, and videos access also, backup videos access also you are going to get it. Backup videos access also. Okay, now? So and in this normal group, I think you are going to get notifications and all. So in that separate WhatsApp group, you are going to expose all your doubts and all related. I mean, you can interact with others also. So in these free batches related, why not giving option to the students means, so different political related posts, videos posting in the groups guys. Okay, religions related posting in the groups. So that's why admin people getting some problem officially. So to overcoming these all problems, so for the people not giving the permission related to discussions and all, I mean posting related permission. Okay, so in the enrolled people guys, all your details we are getting. So that's why if you are doing any illegal activities also, so we'll take action on you. Okay, if any illegal activities there, so that's why their options providing to you. Okay, now so decide your side guys. So you want the backup videos with interactions in the group, so you can make it 999 rupees, 1 year accessibility is there. So after some days, if you are forgetting these topics, you can revise by using these backup videos. Okay, yeah, thank you. Okay, next coming to here, what is our topic right now? I'm discussing indentation related. Yes, so by default indentation left side onwards, they required guys here some spaces are there. That's why indentation problem returns indentation related problem. So or else simply this syntax error I'll give you here because of what problem you are getting indentation problem. Indentation problem means space problem. Okay, so when you are writing the conditions, guys, for example, like this, if 10 greater than 5 column, wherever you are using column symbol, when you are pressing enter, then see here, by default, your cursor is blinking here, guys, blinking here. It means four spaces by default following by Python for indentation lines of code. So now here, print line 1. Next, one more n number of lines you can write guys here line 2. Like this you can write. Okay. So now when coming to the normal statement, so from starting onwards required here simply by statement. Okay. Check it. So this is a condition and this is called indentation guys. So wherever you are using column symbol, indented statements required. Same space, four spaces related you can write. Okay, line 1, line 2, line 3, like n number of lines you can write. Again, if any line is starting onwards, left side onwards, so this is not belongs to this if block. So these statements only belongs to if block. For representing some group of statement as a block, block means group of statements as if block here. So then we are going to follow this indentation. So we have a separate chapter called for indentation. I mean for indentation, one separate chapter is there called conditions. There we will discuss clearly. Okay. So now save it execute it. Line 1, line 2, and then by statement. And if this condition is wrong, means false, then these two lines not executing. So first checking this condition. If this is written false, then directly coming outside normal statement executing. So that's why here we're going to get by statement only. Okay, now? Yes. So this is about the indentation. So here one line I created here, another line some space I'm following guys. Okay, one space I followed here. So this is not indentation. So that's why you're going to get error. Unexpected indent. Unexpected indent here. So by seeing like this, we are understanding okay what is the problem here like that. So this is about the indentation. Hope everyone understanding about the indentation. So what is the purpose of the indentation means for better code readability purpose. For better code readability purpose, indentation is required. For example, if related all the statements, if 20 statements there, like this increasing as a depth increasing, okay, line 1, line 2, line 3 like that. Sometimes inside one if block, another if block is required. Inside that, another if block is required. That time, properly maintaining every block of statements. If it is a Java, guys, curly braces they are using curly braces. For example, check it here. If 10 greater than 5, if 10 greater than 5, and then curly braces they are using. So now here statement 1, statement 2 like this, a number of statements using. Within the same line n number of statements we can use. So one more statement here starting onwards we can use guys. One more like you can use it. So here I required one more condition. If 30 less than 40 is there, then one more block we are opening. Okay. So sometimes all blocks if we are closing like this, so where to closing, where to started block related understanding is more difficulty there in the Java. Okay, like this if there guys any coding, so understanding is more difficulty guys. But if it is a Python, if it is a Python related, so how to maintaining if 10 greater than 5, if it is right, some indented lines of code we are writing all in a same order writing, not like this side by side. Okay, so next one more condition if 20 less than 40, then again here indented lines of code writing. Okay, so if it is a wrong condition, if it is a wrong condition, then else related following. So now here, so else related all maintaining, and next coming to outside here, else else related maintaining here. So like this properly maintaining us. So easily we are understanding these all statements up to here belongs to if related like that. So proper indentations wise maintaining when we are writing more blocks, so more readability is there instead of this one. In Java like this, more complexity is there. That's why people manually they are maintaining blocks related indentation. But here Python itself automatically take caring. So when we are discussing this condition topic, you will understand these all syntaxes. Okay. So here these spaces we are not moving as manually. This is a normal notepad. So when coming to like here cursor, we are moving like this. But if we are using the IDLE tool or Python related real-time IDs, so indentation related automatically handling. So we are not responsible for that. So because of this indentation only, so proper readability we are getting better. Understandability we are getting when we are writing the several lines of code, multiple blocks of code. So when you are creating more lines of code, you will understanding this indentation beautiness. Okay, na? So in other languages, between the curly brace, this is like one block like that they are representing. But inside the curly brace, different statements like that they can maintain. So when writing a big lines like this within the same line, several lines and all, so readability more horrible here, more horrible here. So that is the difference between them. Okay. So now next, So this is about the indentation, guys. Here, what is indentation? What is the purpose of the indentation? Why Python is follows the strict rule for indentation related. For better code readability purpose, they designed like that. So we have to follow that for representing the block of statements in a same indentation order. So that is a confirmation about this one. So when you are looking about here, guys, material. So here quotations related already given, quotations related, and comments related already given. So this is like a single line comment. These are like a multi-line comments, guys. And some examples here is there. And this is about the indentation. So when you are reading about this one, you will understanding C, C++, these all people following the curly brace syntax. But Python is follows the indentation, nothing but white spaces related. White spaces consider like a indentation. By default, 4 white spaces following. So now this is our Python related coding like looking, and in Java they are following like this one curly brace syntax. But this space manually we have to move it, guys. Automatically not coming, we have to move it. Otherwise, in the same line also, all the lines of code we can write this entire one. That time readability is more complexity is there. Okay. So some examples here is there why it is required and all. So in if conditions are in for loop or in while loop, for representing group of statements here, say same order is there. These all lines are belongs to this while block. Like that for representation purpose, guys, these all lines of code belongs to this function, belongs to this function. So like that for representation purpose, block of statements as one group or else group of statements as one block, function block this one. Like representation purpose, we can use indentation. So if we are not following indentation, see here, indented quotations there. Starting onwards, I'm writing statement. Then you're going to get syntax error, indentation error or syntax error we are calling as. So in this ideally nowadays, so it is displaying like a indentation error only. Check it here. If 10 greater than 5, so starting onwards, I'm going to write here statements. I'm going to write starting onwards. So if I'm executing this one, I will get this syntax error. Okay, expected and indented block after the if statement. An indented block is expecting, but you are not maintaining any space here. That's why you're going to get this syntax error. Okay. Yes, this is about the indentation, guys. So next coming to the another topic. So this one identifiers related. Identifiers related, guys. Okay, what is identifier? What is the purpose of the identifier? And what are the identifiers? What are the rules for identifiers? So this all we require to learn here. Debasis, you are not following the indentation. One line is front is there, one line is back is there, different order is there, your lines are code. That's why you're getting like that. Syntax error, invalid syntax. Space problem is there. Okay. So now, okay, I'll start here, guys. So this is separate material related, identifiers, variables related, literals related, syntax rules related. So these all points we are going to get. Here, coming to the identifiers. An identifier is a user-defined name, guys. An identifier is a user-defined name. Keyword is a free-defined name. Identifier is a user-defined name. Simple word. User-defined word. As for our requirement, we can create. So an identifier is a user-defined name which is used for creating the memories in the memory location. And we can use these identifiers for accessing the memories from the memory location. An identifier is a user-defined word um, which is used to defining which is used to define the memory locations, guys. Simply memory locations or else memory addresses, which is used to define the memory locations, okay, or else memory blocks, simply memory blocks in the memory location, memory locations. In memory locations, memory blocks we can create, and also we can access these all memory blocks from the memory location. We can also accessing or identifying, guys. We can also accessing these memory blocks from the memory, okay, from the memories, guys, from the memories, or else memory of the Python. So what are the identifiers? All variable names, guys. Simply all variable names are the object names, and function names, and method names. These all slowly will understanding. Method names, class names. We're going to create classes using the OOPS concept. And module names, we have a chapter called modules. Packages names, we have a chapter called packages. There you are going to understanding. Okay. So all the variable names or object names or function names or method names, class names, module names, package names, these all we can consider like a identifiers only, user defined identifiers. As as a developer we are creating as per our requirement. Okay now, so remember guys these things. So identifier related, different identifiers having different syntaxes, variable having different syntax, and functions having different syntax, method having different, class having different syntax, like that. So first of all, if we want to create these identifiers, we have to follow the rules, guys. Okay na? So rules of identifiers, guys, are creating the identifiers related rules. Identifiers, rules of identifiers. See here, majorly three rules, guys. Everyone must be following the three rules for defining these identifiers. So when you are attending interview, directly those three lines you can express, you can explain, guys. Some people, as they identify rules, 10 rules also telling. Okay, what are allowed in a identifier? If you know, sir, remaining all things not allowed. But some people giving like more points that this is not allowed, that is not allowed, like that. So here we will focus direct points, guys. This is not your academic exams. When you are attending BTech MCA exams, guys, sometimes 8 marks question, 16 marks questions giving. What is an identifier? Can you explain about the identifier rules, like asking? So that time if you are completing more papers, guys, if you are filling more papers left to right, 3 4 papers if you are filling, out of 16 marks you may get 15 marks. If you are writing direct 3 points, 3 points you are getting, 3 marks you are getting out of 16. So academic exams different, and here in interview we are explaining this about different, guys. So first of all, what are allowed as an identifier for creating these all names? What are allowed? So simply all characters, guys. All characters. All characters. It means lower letters, upper letters. All characters, all digits, and underscore underscore symbol only allowed, allowed as an identifier, as an identifier. So simply an identifier contains, guys, allowed. Okay, I'm going to give here allowed this one. Okay, see here. An identifier, an identifier contains an identifier contains all characters, all digits, and underscore symbol only. Underscore symbol only. It means remaining things not allowed, guys. Remaining things except underscore symbol, remaining any special character if you are using as an identifier, that is not allowed. So immediately that point you can identify here. So check it here. Name name $123 I'm using. So like a Ramu. So here special character dollar is there. This is not allowed. Throwing this syntax error. Syntax error, guys. So next here, if I'm using name star 123, then again syntax error getting. So characters allowed. Digits also allowed. I said. So you can use name 123 is a Ramu. So characters there, digits there. If you want underscore symbol also, you can use name underscore 123. Anywhere you can use underscore. So no problem like this. So contains only characters, digits and underscore symbol. Digits means 0 to 9. 0 to 9 related numbers combination only any number, guys. So that is a point. Next point. So here, digits allowed, I said, it means some people writing like this. So 123 name equal to Ramu. So, but this is not allowed. Syntax error. Why? Digits are not allowed in a first position. In identifier, digits allowed. From second position onwards allowed. But in a first position, digits not allowed. That is a second rule, guys. Okay. So digits not allowed in a first position of an identifier. Digits not allowed in a first position of an identifier. So when you are creating an identifier name, there as a first position, in a first position, don't use digits for all variables or objects or function names. So later these all separately we are going to discussing. In these all concepts, same rules we are going to following. That time directly I'm going to applying the rules. Every topic related again and again if I'm discussing like this, so days not sufficient, guys. So you have to follow that one. So here digits not allowed. Digits not allowed means character allowed in first position. Underscore also allowed in a first position, guys. So underscore also allowed in a first position. Okay. Only digits not allowed. So some people writing multiple points. What means characters allowed in first position. For example, some examples like this. Next, underscore allowed in a first position. Again, some examples. Next, digits not allowed in first position like that. So instead of writing more lines here, more points, simply digits not allowed means remaining all are allowed only. Remaining all are allowed. And some people again here check it here. First space name equal to, so Rohit. Rohit, the first name is Rohit. So here first name here space is there. So space is not allowed. Like that point also giving. No need to give that point. So what I said here first point, allowed what? Characters, digits, underscore. In this space is not there, but you are using here space. That's why this is not allowed. You can consider like that. Syntax error. Okay, na? And one more point is keywords. Keywords are not allowed. Keywords are not allowed as an identifier. Keywords are not allowed as an identifier, guys. I said already keywords related. Every keyword is having its own behavior. Somewhere we discussed, guys. Keywords related. Okay, na? Every keyword is having its own behavior. As per that behavior only we can use that keyword whenever required that keyword behavior. Keywords behavior we cannot change explicitly. I said, but here if you are trying to use as an identifier, identifier means your own name. For example, Del is a keyword. I'm trying to assign a 10 value into Del keyword. So you are trying to overriding this behavior. You are trying to changing this Del keyword behavior for assigning the 10 value into this one. So that's why you're going to get syntax error. Okay. So why I'm telling this point means, so here all characters allowed, I said. So here DELE, three are characters only. Why not allowed like thinking some people? But this is a reserved word having its own behavior. That's why not allowed as your own name. These three rules important, guys. So remaining all optional rules only. Spaces not allowed, dollar not allowed, like telling. In some languages, dollar allowed. In Python, not allowed. Got it? So this point. And next, some note points I'm giving for your better code development purpose. Some note points, guys. Okay, within 2 minutes I'll complete, guys. Just wait, don't miss it. These points. So one note point is multiple continually, guys. Multiple underscores don't use. Check it here. So here I'm using underscore something name like that. So this is allowed. This is allowed, guys. If I'm writing like this, allowed. So underscores allowed, n number of underscores you can use it, no problem. So whenever I'm trying to accessing as if I'm missing one underscore for getting the value, then error getting name error, this name is not available, like that. So how many underscore there here, understanding is more complexity is there, guys. So that's why only one underscore you can use. If multiple words there, then multiple underscores you can use. But continuously like this, don't use. Even though you are using working, but readability is getting more complexity. Understanding is getting complexity. So check it here. User first, user first underscore name. User first name is Sachin. I'm writing as user first name. Multiple words there. Every word is separated with underscore. Then easily we can read this variable. User first name like that. Easily we can pronounce it. Okay. So this is a coding standard, guys. If multiple words there with one underscore separation, every word we are separating. And real time also, guys, the variables all with lower letters with underscore separation. If multiple words there creating. No, sir, I don't want to follow this one. I want to use all uppercase letter. If you are deciding like that, okay, no one disturbing you. But coding, this is not coding standard. They are following some coding standards in real time. Okay, na? So you can also use, guys, like this first name like this. So if you are using like that, every word first letter uppercase, user first name like that, separately pronouncing. Otherwise, guys, if you are writing all in same order, user first name like that, if you are writing here like this, then so if it is a medical coding related terms, guys, if multiple words there, medical terms as a single word. So pronouncing is more difficulty. Some people up to here is like one word, and this is like another word, like differently pronouncing. So reading is more complexity there, guys. For readability purpose, like this, we are separating with underscore. So all are working, guys. If I'm using this one, Virat, I'm getting. If I'm using this one, Sachin, I'm getting. If I'm using this one, this value, I'm going to get it. Differently there. Okay, variable creation standard is this one, all with underscore separation, lower letters. If it is a class name, here class names also there. In your class name, if multiple words there, every word first letter is uppercase related, we are going to create as a single word for class creation related. If it is a function name, guys, if it is a function name, all with lower letters only, with underscore separation we are creating. If you are creating a module or a packages, so without any space like this only we are creating. Okay, all are like a single word, lower letters we are creating as a module name or a package name. So whenever we are discussing those topics about that particular concept, I will let you know more clearly. So right now here you have to follow this one. Okay, these are the identifier rules. So I'll stop now here, this one. So tomorrow I'll continue, guys, two more topics there here in this variables there. So variable is nothing but one of the identifier only. So here what rules we discussed, the same rules we are going to discuss in here, but variable syntax is what, purpose is what, how many types, how many ways we can create variable values. This is all more practical I'm going to show you guys. And then literal syntax rules and all we will complete tomorrow. Okay, so here to check it, identifier means what, purpose of identifier is what are the identifiers, rules for naming the identifiers, three rules I explained. Can identifier start with digit, no. Identifier can start with letter, yes. Can start with underscore, yes. And give some invalid and valid identifiers examples. And identifier is a case sensitive or not, yes, case sensitive. So all points covered, guys. Yes. So thank you for attending this session. Again, tomorrow we'll continue, guys, remaining points. And again, I'm telling guys, these all things backup. revision related if you want. So 999 rupees. Okay, after the few more sessions, so batch is going to freeze guys for recording videos related. Okay, so this continuation we will discuss sessions, but recordings related going to freeze in. So anyone wants, so you can contact the management. You can make it a enrollment. So separate WhatsApp group access you are going to get there. You can express all your doubts and all related guys. Okay, now? Yes. Thank you. Thank you for this session. See you tomorrow.
హలో
Yes. Tell me guys.
అన్న నిన్న అదే జావా జూమ్ లింక్ ఇస్తా అన్నారు కదా.
ఓకే, జూమ్ లింక్ నిన్న లేవా నువ్వు? నిన్న క్లాస్లోనే పోస్ట్ చేశారు వేరే అదర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. అండ్ ఆల్సో హియర్ నో ప్రాబ్లమ్, యూ కెన్ చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్ వెబ్సైట్. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ చెకింగ్, యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ మ్యాన్, డైరెక్ట్లీ హియర్ ఓన్లీ.
అక్కడ రావట్లేదన్న, చూసినాను.
నో నో నో, ఎస్టర్డే వచ్చింది. Yesterday in the website only we got it, free link pop-ups came here. Did you contact the office people?
ట్రై చేశానన్న,
Hmm.
వాళ్ళు ఏం అంటే రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు.
Okay. Services course offering related. Now you can see here. So which one here?
జావా,
Java, na?
అవును.
There anyone? Pre-batch here is there. So now here directly you can click. So
ఓకే
here in this website, okay, course offering related is there, training schedule is there. If you are clicking on this, present batches related informations you're getting.
ఓకే
Okay,
అన్న,
na?
నేను
So
నేను ఒకసారి చెక్
directly
చేస్తాను.
by clicking here, you can join. Yeah.
ఓకే అన్న, థ్యాంక్స్
Right
అన్న.
now, these are the free batches. Yeah, go ahead. Any other guys?
Hello.
Kavya, I uploaded material in the WhatsApp group. I posted actually only for your session. This session related portal is getting some little problem. Remaining all batches working fine. What is problem means, if theoretical material uploading one time, next time questions uploading, both taking only one type only, same material or questions only, both separately not uploading here. Okay, na? So that's why getting problem. That's why I said in the WhatsApp group. So they are trying to updating this one. For other batches working fine. I don't know why only for your batch working like that. Sravanti, 30-35 working sessions. 30-35 working sessions. Actually in every session, these topics, one day this material I'm covering. So right now these things a little bit pending is there. Okay, these are nothing more required, more time. This is important. Tomorrow off session for this one. Okay, we can complete and then other topic will start. So this topic related guys directly in this I'm explaining, then time saving. Whenever I'm typing here like this content, then it will take some additional time. That is only difference. Okay, I took number of times for employees related also batches. That time they are not expecting like this. Main points explaining and directly practically showing.
Hello.
Just tell me guys.
Um, Sir, is it like if this batch is going to like full batch, like
Mm,
full course,
mm.
so what are the contents you have to cover for this paid batch?
In this, I mean, these only recording videos you are getting separately.
No. Actually,
Mm.
I'm
Yes,
getting
yes,
like here the Python the free batch, correct?
yes, yes.
So
This is a
next
Python. Okay,
free
wait.
batch.
In the Python full stack batch, Okay, along with the Python course, Django course is there, framework, Django course. Using that web applications more rapidly we can develop it. Okay, so Django framework and REST API is there. After the Django APIs, we are going to developing for making app-to-app communication purpose. So REST APIs we are going to discussing, database separately we are going to discussing, UI technologies going to discussing, and some real-time tools also like a Postman tool related, Swagger tool related. This all together we are going to discussing and developing, and code hosting platforms like GitHub there na. So we'll discuss about them and all. Okay, here the only Python related topics, 10, 11 chapters I explained. I mean I displayed previously, so I'm going to discussing about those chapters only.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
na?
whatever to you are saying now, the
Mm,
full stack Python full stack dev. So,
yeah.
is it planned to any continue for the evening batch? This
Actually, I mean many people already requesting. So after this session completing, I'll plan that one. Okay, na continuation. I mean, already
Take
some
time
people
to.
registered and they are asking for the Django. Okay, so that time I'll
So
announce the Django course directly.
how long it will take time to finish that full stack developer for the
Yeah,
Python?
yes, for full stack development, 3 months duration required.
So it will include again from the beginning the one you have to, just you are teaching
Yes,
right now, or
yes,
you
yes. In
okay?
full stack Python with Django APIs and UI technologies all together, I'm taking caring. So first 45 days
Suppose if
database.
yeah,
Yeah,
if I want to take it that one, so I already take this the 1 month course, right? So
yeah.
when should I start? Like what after 1 month or when
See
to
here,
start?
I mean, after this one completing, later based on my time availability, I will announce immediately. Okay, na?
Yeah, I
So,
got it that one, and like we already took this course, right, for the
yeah,
fundamental of Python.
yes,
So
yes, yes.
when should we start when we start the next course? Like, do we need to wait for another month,
I
or we
mean, after
can?
after completing this one, immediately may plan, or sometimes this is evening session, morning session, Django will start sometimes. Okay, depending on
Oh,
the
so
batches.
you will have only morning session. You don't have evening session for the full stack developer.
I mean, right now not planned, madam. Maybe coming days we'll plan about that one. Myself,
Okay.
I took previously evening sessions and morning sessions. Okay, in middle day, my office work I'm doing. So late evenings or early mornings, I'm taking sessions. Okay, na?
Yeah, for me, evening session is best. I cannot take morning class.
That time,
That's why
based
I'm
on your
asking.
availability, and if I'm announcing that time only, then you can join. Okay, before only I'm unable to tell that point. Okay, when it is going to start like that. So right now, morning, early morning, one employee session going on already. So many employees there. Okay, so there also Python is going on for that is a full stack batch, guys. So that time after completing the Python course, then Django going to start for them. That time announcing Django session early morning is there 7 a.m. 7 a.m. session. So the people who wants to learn the Django, that time they are joining. Continuation to this course can plan to there. Other people understanding? Some people already requested for Django session. So very soon going to start the morning session. So while going on that topic, again evening I'll plan one more like that. Based on the time availability, guys. Yeah, Vijay Lakshmi, tell me. Sir, after completing this course, which course is going to conduct? Yeah, after this framework, Django framework, we are going to discussing. I mean, in this Python, whatever is there right now here, whatever I'm teaching chapter, along with this, some other modules also will discuss some other modules. Actually, previous batches for free sessions, I didn't cover about the NumPy pandas related, but in this batch, many people requested. That's why I added these modules, working with NumPy, working with pandas. These all the people who joined for full stack I'm teaching. Along with this, one more important chapter called regular expression is there. So like some more topics we'll discuss and then continuing the Django.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So I would like to know, this course you will cover NumPy pandas as well. I mean, full stack, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, within 30 to 35 days, you're going to complete, or you're extending the
That
duration
is
of the course?
based on your responsibility, your understandability. Okay,
Okay.
maximum. I took many batches previously with 30, 35 working sessions. Okay, I completed.
Okay.
That time I said already, for your session, I added these two modules. Okay, na? So previously, directly in my regular session only, I'm teaching these things. So in this free course, these two I added. So we'll plan about this one also. If we are discussing these topics a little bit fast, then we can spend that time there. Or else 4 5 sessions extending.
Okay.
Okay, na?
That's so
Or
nice
else
of you, sir.
if
Thank you.
any one Sunday we are attending a 2 hour
Okay.
session, then we'll cover this all.
Okay.
Okay, yeah,
That is so nice of you, sir. Thank you.
thank you. Parvati showing failed to get group info. You can contact the office team, Parvati. Already more than 300 people joined there. Hmm? And for class attending 150 only, but joining more than 300. So daily we are getting material. Later, whenever we have a free time, that time we can learn like that. Some people thinking. That is only I said, if you are having time, these 30, 35 sessions every day, if you are managing the time for attending this session, then you can join. Then you will understanding concepts very well. One day coming, one day not coming is getting a lot of topics missing and meaningless to you. Okay. Contact numbers I given na, so make it call to those numbers. They'll guide you. But other people joined with that numbers only. With this link only join. Actually, by clicking this one showing join WhatsApp like that, by clicking that you're going to join. Any other one, guys? And tomorrow I'll ask all the people without typing here in the notepad like this. Okay. If I'm directly telling points and showing outputs using the ideally able to understanding everyone. Is it okay? Okay. Already many people left. Tomorrow I'll ask. So based on that, we'll save the time. Or else no problem. Even though we are spending more time for the basics, all basics, if you are understanding very well, then coming sessions, you are playing like anything. First 2 week sessions are all rules and regulations you're going to get.
Up to basic sections you will do like this, sir. Then
Yes,
afterward,
yes, we'll plan like that. Okay. So main points I'll create here, no problem. Points wise. And these all points, whatever I'm explaining, these all there in the material. Don't worry that. So, but your reading is important. Time spending is important. So today identifiers related we discussed here. So now here the identifiers related you're getting. What are allowed, characters allowed, digits allowed, underscore allowed, like all the rules also given here. So I also given here like many rules here. So valid identifiers here there, invalid identifiers here is there. So tomorrow we are going to discussing about this one, variables related. This file I will upload today in the portal.
okay, sir.
And in the portal problem is I said already, this is a material,
Only
today
questions
material.
we are able to see. What are
See,
the notes you are uploading? It is not coming there.
I mean, here If I'm uploading first time material, next time if I'm uploading question, both questions only loading.
Only questions only coming. Notes is not coming. I have downloaded from this WhatsApp group right now.
Yes. In the portal, sometimes only materials uploading, no questions. Sometimes questions uploading, no materials. Only for this course, this batch only.
Yes,
I have other batches, in those batches, no problem there.
yes, sir.
Directly uploading.
Uploading some problem is there.
I informed this problem to the management. So they're trying to managing. Okay. So, okay, guys. See you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
நான் வந்து என்னன்னா